So before we start the practice quiz, just another quick reminder, and I did this on the board on Thursday, just a quick reminder, the linear function has the rule of y is equal to ax plus b, as I said, and you'll know that function because it looks like a straight line. Sometimes it's over there, sometimes it's on the back side of the function, but it's always a dead straight line. The second type of function is the quadratic, which has the rule y is equal to ax squared, and for that function all we ever have to do is find the a in order to know the specific rule for that function and be able to answer questions about it. And the thing with the quadratic is it'll be a curve, and it will always start at the origin. That's how you'll know it's quadratic compared to the other curve that we'll see in a minute. And usually, if not always, you'll get one point in there that you'll be able to plug in y and x in order to solve for the a so that you could get the specific rule. The exponential, also a curve, but the difference with the exponential is that it will not start at the origin for our purposes, and that one looks like this. Y is equal to a times c to the x. The c will almost always be given to you when I set up in the box there where the rules are. You'll always be given that c. The a is really easy to get. It's the initial value. So the a will come from the y value of the ordered pair that the function starts at. So for example, if it started at 2, the a here would be a 2. And then you would just take another point that they'll give you somewhere in that function, x and y, and plug it in and solve. The last function is the constant function, and that one is where the y is straight across, and it's always y is equal to some number, and that's the easy one. But this one's important is very often the critical points, whether it comes from a curve and then a line or whatever, will always kind of go through that constant function on the final exam style questions. So just a quick reminder about those rules. Those are the general rules that we'll be writing down when the time comes.